This is my speed solving journey on how I went from this to this. But let me take you back, all the way back to summer of 2023, where this is my very first competition. And what you're witnessing right now is my first official 3x3 solve. I know it's kind of bad right now, but trust me, it's getting a lot better in the process of time. Bro, I can't even predict AUF on G-Perm. Of course, after the competition, I practice until this competition take place. It's pretty bad still, but trust me, again, it's gonna be good. This is my first championship competition in my cubing career. So this is where I started to take it so seriously. As you can see, my solves are pretty consistent now, averaging about 12 to 13 seconds, instead of just random 19s and 18s all over the place. Okay, now this is where it gets serious and fun, because I've cube dropped, and it's still a PR. Like, what? It's, wow. And so, yeah, just keep watching. I'll stop talking. It's my second summer competition, and you know what that means. It's 1 year anniversary to my first cubing competition. Well, technically. And trust me, I've improved a lot since then. Just watch these results to prove. By yourself. Apparently my editor is too lazy to put in 10.61, so here's I guess a 9.85. A skip. So let this be a proof that don't give up on whatever you tried. I hope that this inspires you to do the same for everything you tried. So, I guess that's the end for me. Thanks for watching and subscribe.